My mo was craving kimchi and asked me if I could get some, so I told him.
Hanoi, das ist zu teuer, wir haben Kimchi zu Hause.
I started by cutting the cabbage into smaller pieces. And after that was done, I coated the cabbage with salt so that the cabbage can entwässern a little bit. I then sliced the carrots into thin stripes. And while cutting the onions, I remembered that my husband will forever live with the oxygen mask because I take his breath away. As for the radish, I cut it into different shapes for different kinds of kimchi. I also coated them with salt to help them release liquid. And after that was done, I added my chopped onions, ginger and garlic into a blender. I saw that Sarah Kim's family uses mashed potatoes instead of glutinous rice flour for the kimchi paste, so I decided to give it a try as well. I usually season the paste nach Gefühl, but this time I tried to measure it for you so you can try it at home by yourself. But of course season it as you like to fit your taste. And after a while, this is how much liquid comes out of the vegetables. To get rid of the salt, rinse the vegetables at least 3 times with water. Add your green onions, carrots, radish, and lastly the kimchi paste and mix it all together. Taste test it if it's okay, and if the taste is lack for you, transfer everything into a big container. Press down the kimchi so there is no air in between, and the first kimchi is done. For the second kimchi, I tried to make gakdogi, which is basically radish kimchi shaped in cubes. I also wanted to make some green onion kimchi, so I also coated it with the kimchi paste. For the non-spicy white kimchi, I cooked glutinous flour with water until translucent and let it cool down. I then seasoned the onion garlic paste that we made earlier, and then I combined it with the rice flour water. And for the Vietnamese pickled radish, I just combined all these ingredients together. And there you have it, 5 different kimchis. Now my mo has to wait a couple of days.